Hayes Organization LLC introduces Auto Alert Alarm Clock 1.0 for iOS. This app just might save a user's life. Before going to bed, the user sets the alarm, then selects a friend from their contact list that will be alerted should the user not turn off the alarm or hit the snooze button the following morning. If, after a specified period of time, the user does not shut off the alarm, their designated contact will be sent an email or text message signaling the contact to check to make sure everything is okay. Auto Alert Alarm Clock 1.0 is only 99 cents and is available worldwide, exclusively through the App Store in the Utilities category. For more information, visit auto-alert-message.com.